Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add box shadow in container in Elementor in WordPress, right? As you can see, I'm into Elementor. Here I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and we are having a plus icon in the middle of the screen. We can click on this to add a new container, right? So I've clicked on it, and here it is asking us about the layout. So I'm selecting the flex box, and here it is asking us about the structure. So in the structure I am going to select the one direction column, and as you can see a blank container is over here, and we can edit this container using edit container button, just getting displayed above the container. So I have clicked on edit container, and in the left side toolbar we have three kinds of settings. The first one is layout, the second one is style, and the third one is advanced. In the layout setting itself, we can increase the height of the container in the container settings. Okay, so I've increased the height of the container. Now going to the style settings, and here I'm going to add a background type. So in background we have selected normal, and in the background type we have selected classic, and in the choose image I'm going to select any image from media library. Okay, so I'm going to select this image or this image. Okay, this image is fine. I'm going to select this. Okay, now the display size must be cover. I have changed the display size to cover, and now going to the border option in the style itself, and here you will find the box shadow option, and as you can see a edit button is getting displayed in front of box shadow, the pen icon. I have clicked on it, and here we can simply select the color of the shadow. So I am going to select the color. You can either select the black color itself and can increase the transparency of the color in the color palette, right? Or you can select the red color, white color. So right now I've selected the black color, right? And as you can see in the box itself, like outside the box, we are getting a shadow, right? And all the four sides, right? So we can increase the horizontal shadow or vertical shadow, right? Let me increase it to 9, and in the horizontal let me, okay, I have changed. And we can also blur the shadow as well, right? We can also increase the spread, right? Get in the position, outline, or insert. If we change the position to insert, then automatically the image border box shadow would be inset, right? Inside the image, right? But if we change the position from inset to outline, then box shadow will be an outline of the image, right, of the container. So let me change the color to red. Okay, so it is looking pretty good. So this is how you can add box shadow in container in Elementor and WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.